In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create paid Telegram channels. If you want to share premium content directly on Telegram and get paid for it, this walkthrough will guide you from creating a channel to publishing your first paywalled post. You can follow along on the web or the mobile app. The flow is nearly identical. Start by opening Telegram and signing in. Once you're in, look for the Compose option. On desktop and web, it often appears as a pencil icon. On mobile, you might see a plus icon. Tap that to bring up the creation menu, then choose New Channel. Give your channel a clear name and a short description that explains what subscribers can expect. You'll be asked to choose whether the channel is public or private. Public channels are discoverable and can be shared with a simple link or username, which is great for growth. Private channels require an invite link, which is useful for more controlled access or small communities. Pick the option that matches your plan. You can adjust these settings later if needed. With the channel created, you're ready to post. Open your new channel's chat and tap the paperclip icon to attach your content. This can be a file, image, video, audio, or a document, whatever best delivers your value. Add a concise caption to set expectations, like what's included and who it's for, so viewers know exactly what they're getting. Before you send the post, look at the content preview window. Tap the three dots to open the options menu and select Make this content paid. This is what places a paywall on the post. Telegram supports pricing in stars, it's in-app currency, and in some regions you may also be able to choose a local currency. Enter the amount that reflects the value of your content. Keep pricing simple and transparent. Smaller, well-priced posts often convert better when you're starting out. Once the price is set, send the post to the channel. Your audience will see the locked content with the price, and they can purchase access directly within Telegram. You can continue to mix free and paid posts in the same channel to keep engagement high, tease upcoming releases, and reward loyal followers. That's all there is to it. Create the channel, attach your content, make it paid, choose the amount, and publish. Keep your captions clear, post consistently, and review feedback to refine your pricing and formats. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.